So we're continuing our video now on how to solve the typical store finder pattern. So let's go back to the default view, and you can see here that in this default view, when I open up the grid, the button that centers the map on a different location is closed, and I have to press this button over here to open it up. Also, you can see that there's a generic prompt over here that says enter an address, and the label on this button over here says go. And you'll also see that if I go here and I type in, say, Dallas, and then click go, then it centers the map on Dallas, but it also closes down the prompt, so that the prompt got closed down automatically, and simply typing in go didn't actually cause the search to be executed. So now let's go back to the airport finder example over here, and we can see now that when I type, so first of all, when we render this grid, the prompt for the address on which you want to center the map is displayed, and then when I go here and I type in, say, Dallas, and click the find button over here, which was relabeled from go to be find closest airport, not only did we center the map on Dallas, but we kept the prompt open, and also we executed a search. So let's go and see how all of those different things happen. So let's go back to design mode and then go to the search part and open up the builder for the search part here. And let's look at the various options that we chose. So first of all, we chose to display the search results on the map, and we specified that the latitude and the longitude come from fields called latitude and longitude. That was just done over here in the builder. Then finally we specified that the map icons that show up on the search part, we want to use an image sequence, and we chose this green 1 through 20, which is this sequence over there. So that's how we got the numbered icons on the map. But here's the interesting part. We've said here that the center map prompt, that its initial state should be open, so we don't have to actually first go ahead and click the button before we want to center the map. Then what we've done is we've entered a custom prompt for the instruction. So we've replaced the default prompt with enter a city name or zip code. We've changed the button label from go to find closest airports, and then we've changed the bubble help to click here to find the closest airports. So let's go back again and look at that now. So you can see now the prompt to center the map is open, and the label has been changed to find closest airports, and the bubble help has been changed as well. So next, let's look at how we got it to perform the search when we click the button over here. So you can see here when I type in Dallas and then click find closest airports, Alpha 5 goes ahead and actually does the search. So let's go back to our customization over here, and you can see that we've specified the onset event. So this is the event that fires when the user clicks the button to center the map on a new location, and we've specified that we want to call a JavaScript function called userSetRadius. This is just an arbitrary name. It could just as easily have been called my function. So userSetRadius, and let's go take a look now at our JavaScript functions, and you can see here's our JavaScript function userSetRadius, and we're just calling a built-in method of the grid called submitSearchForm, which of course we can see by just going to search there, and you can see there's submitSearchForm. So what this says is when the user clicks the button to center the map, not only do we want to center the map, but we'd also like to actually do the search itself. So let's pause now and pick it up in the next video.